everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. Over here it's morning. It's about probably like 9:30 and I've just dropped, not just but quite a while ago, I dropped off my husband to work and I dropped off Xavier to school. What I'm about to do now is just chuck on some washing and then start just cleaning around the house. We had our inspection yesterday and it was a success. No problems or anything, and yeah, so I'm just gonna chuck on some washing and then you can come with me to clean my house. It's funny because I guess and this always happens, like after an inspection a house is so tidy but then it goes back to being a little bit messy, which is like I'm trying to tell myself that it's okay for your house to be messy sometimes, as long as you keep maintaining the cleaning. When it comes to your next inspection, then you won't have to really intensely clean, and it won't be a big job when it comes to the time when your inspection is on or whatever. You know what I mean anyways. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not too sure how this video is going to go, whether it's going to be a vlog or clean with me. We'll see how it goes.
Hi everyone, so right here I am soaking a few things that need to be soaked in nappy sand, and I've already turned the washing machine to do some laundry. So the reason why I like doing that first is because I know that I can let it run, and by the time I finish cleaning a room or a few rooms, the washing should be done and it will be ready to hang. So now I am just cleaning our bed. And I usually like to make our bed first thing before I start cleaning any other room. I guess it kind of, for me, it just kind of starts the cleaning mode off for me. And what I'm using here is a spray, a Febreze spray that I like to sanitize and just refreshen my sheets and pillowcases. Next, I am making myself some breakfast. And my husband and I are currently on a healthy eating journey. So what I've got in the bowl is some frozen blueberries that I've kind of defrosted in the microwave. I've put in some Greek yogurt, a bit of cream, some stevia, and I'm just mixing that all together. And then I put some chia seeds on top, as well as some dry coconut pieces, and it is so delicious. And this is me and my girl just eating breakfast on the couch. As you can see, our couch is a little bit stained. I guess this is what happens when you choose a light colored couch. You've got kids and they spill things. So I will make a video as to how I fade those stains away, my cleaning routine of my couch. But for the meantime, I am just cleaning, vacuuming the lounge area, putting the pillows back and vacuuming the couch as well. And now I am cleaning the kitchen. As you can see, it is a flippin' mess. I think the night before I was just a little bit too tired to clean my kitchen area. Usually I like to clean it before I go to bed, but last night was just one of those nights where I was just like too tired. Anyways, I am just stacking the dishwasher, and it's only just recently, like last year, we used to do dishes by hand, but just having a dishwasher has been such a big help. It cuts down the time in doing dishes, and I absolutely love our dishwasher. And you can just let it, it's just like the washing machine, you can just let it go, let it clean the dishes, and you can just do other things rather than like slaving away doing the dishes in the sink the old-fashioned way. So I decided that we're going to have seafood for dinner, so I've just put that out. to defrost. We collect our plastic bottles and we put it in a bag at the back of our house to collect, to get money from it. And yeah, so at this point, Aria decided that she wanted to bake, and it was a really good activity for us and the kids, and so I just pulled out a really easy peasy box cake mix, and all you basically need is just eggs, milk and butter. And yeah, we just decided to bake that together as an activity for the afternoon. So this part here is so typical of being a mum. Now Aria wanted jelly and I said no because it's not a proper lunch, so she decided that she wanted peanut butter sandwiches and she wanted to make it herself. And so I just finished cleaning the area that we were baking in, but you know, she's hungry, so what can you do? So she made the peanut butter sandwiches herself, and Serenity, she wanted a mandarin, so I peeled that mandarin for her and had given her some pieces of mandarin. Now the cake is almost ready. I actually had a lot of trouble trying to get this out. It ended up sticking, some of it sticking at the bottom, and I didn't really expect it to stick at the bottom because last time I'd make a cake in this cake pan, like everything came out, but you know, it was all good. The girls seemed to enjoy it even though some pieces were missing at the bottom, but this is what the cake looks like, so fluffy and buttery and nice. I didn't have any because we're on this healthy eating journey, and yeah, so for dinner just made some seafood. There's butter in there, some herbs, and just added some lemon to just freshen up the seafood flavor, as well as we brought some zucchini chips to go on the side with the seafood that I had made, and it was so yum. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. God bless, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!